Hi, this is Paula Carolan with Marvelous Mouse Travel. I'm here today to make blue milk pudding.
Joined by my
children, and I'm Colby, and I'm 6.
and this is Callie. She is 3. Thank you for joining us today on May the 4th, where we are going to be making blue milk pudding. I can't wait to see how it turns out. Follow along as we make the pudding.
Bye.
Once you have all your ingredients out, that's when you can start making your blue milk pudding. You're going to start by adding 2 cups of whole milk, a half a cup of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Once that's all in your saucepan mixed together, you're going to turn the heat to low, medium-low, stir in your 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. I used a few blue food coloring drops, and I'm going to let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes while whisking it together. Once it has thickened, you're going to spoon it out into cups, covering with saran wrap. Once out of the fridge, you're going to take off the saran wrap, top with whipped cream, cinnamon, and some coconut flakes.
All right, the blue milk pudding has chilled in the refrigerator for the afternoon, and we are ready to try it. So grab your blue milk pudding and your spoon.
I'm scared. I'm very scared.
And let's give it a try.
This one.
This one?
Should you go past that whipped cream?
Bum, ba, bum, ba, 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 ba.
What's
Have you
that?
entered the dark side?
Do you like it?
Here, taste more.
Mm.
No,
I
didn't.
think it tastes delicious.
Tastes a little jammy.
A little jammy.
Jammy? What's jammy mean? I think it tastes very good.
It tastes like jam.
Oh,
That's good.
Good
Jam
jam?
tastes good. What do you think, Callie?
Yeah.
Good?
And a little bumpy.
the Darth Vader
Well, that's
fruit?
the coconut on the top.